dear students, welcome back again to the math class of Standard 5. We are studying chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let us continue with the topic years and years. Question number B. If Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? Student, here Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute. So we have to write here statement in 1 minute it beats 72 times. So in 1 hour, here we have to convert hour into minute. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 72. If we multiply 60 with 72, we will get 4320 times. So Soha's heart beats 4320 times in 1 hour. Now find out how many times it beats in 1 day. Here we have found out how many times it beat in 1 hour. Now in 1 day how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. So in 1 hour it beats 4320 times. So in 24 hours it beats 24 into 4320. Here we have to multiply 4320 with 24. So 4320 multiply with 24. So 4 0 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 will be carried over, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Here we have to multiply with 20. So first we will write here 0, 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 0, 8, 6, 7 plus 6, 13, carried over 1. Here also 1, so 8 plus 1 plus 1, so 10. So 1,03,680 times. So Soha's heart beats 1,03,680 times in 1 day. Now moving further. Now count your own heartbeats to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 week. Here first we have to find out how many times my heart beats in 1 hour. Then I will find out how many times does it beat in 1 day, and then I will find out how many times does it beat in a week. So first let us find out how many times does it beat in 1 hour. So in 1 minute my heart beats 70 times. So in 60 minutes it beats 60 into 70 is equal to 4200 times. In 60 minutes means in 1 hour. Now I will find out how many times does it beat in 24 hours, means 1 day. So in 1 hour My heart beats 4,200 times. So in 24 hours, 24 into 4,200. So here we have to multiply 4,200 with 24. So 400, here also 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Then we multiply with 20. So first write 0, 200, 200, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So 0, 0, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, here 0, here 1. So 8 plus 1, 9 and 10. So 1,800,000 times. So my heart beat 1,800,000 times in one day. Now we will find out how many times does it beat in a week. So in one day it beats 1,800,000 times. So in 7 days, because how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So we will write here 7 days. So in 7 days, 7 into 1,800,000 times. If we multiply 7 with 1,800,000, we will get 7,05,600 times. So my heart beats 7,05,600 times in a week. Now proceeding further. Now next question is, a baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. How much milk will it drink in 2 years? So student, here in one day baby elephant drink 12 liters of milk. So in 2 years, that means in 1 year there are 365 days. So in 2 years we have to multiply with 2. 365 into 2 is equal to 730 days are there in 2 years. So here in one day a baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk. So in 730 days we have to multiply 730 into 12. If we multiply 730 by 12, we will get 8,760. So a baby elephant will drink 8,760 liters of milk in 2 years. Now next question is, a baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in one day. Just imagine how much milk that is. Find out in how many days your family would use 200 liters of milk. How much milk would the baby blue whale drink in 8 months? Student, here in my family uses 4 liter milk daily. So number of days for consuming 200 liter milk, I have to divide 200 by 4 is equal to 50 days. So my family would use 200 liters of milk in 50 days. Now let us find out the milk consumed by baby blue whale in 8 months. So here I have to find out the milk consumed by baby elephant in 1 month. Then I will find out the milk consumed in 8 months. So in 1 day a baby blue whale will drink 200 liters of milk. So how many days are there in 1 month? 30 days. So in 30 days, 30 into 200 is equal to 6000 liter. So baby blue whale will drink 6000 liter of milk in 1 month. Now we will find out milk consumed in 8 months. So in 1 month, milk consumed by baby blue whale is 6000 liters. So in 8 months, 8 into 6000 is equal to 48,000 liters. So student, here is the end of the session. I hope you have understood this all the word problem and solution of these questions. So practice for all this sum and also write it in your notebook. So stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.